Good morning from Grand Pony Farm. It's July 12th, 2025. It's about 10:15 in the morning. There's a lot of planes coming over today. It's 83 degrees, a lot of blue in the sky, some lines, some clouds. It might be an alright day. This is Saturday, so me and my wife are heading to Vantage, take our grandson CJ with us. We're going to scout out places to camp for next winter. Not for her, but for me and the group. We're going to be gone for a couple